Take a ride in the 2015 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.